everyone, thanks so much for hanging out with me on my channel for a deep cleaning bathroom routine video. My bathrooms were well overdue for a really deep, detailed clean. I kind of surface and spot clean them pretty much every day or every couple of days, but it's been a couple of weeks since I've gone in and given them a really big, detailed, deep cleaning, and they were well overdue. So as always with my cleaning routine, to start out with a deep clean, I take everything out to make sure I can clean every single nook and cranny. I've mentioned before in other videos that I like to dry dust and vacuum before I start cleaning, because I find that when I have my air conditioning or my dryer running, my apartment gets really dusty. And I find that if you don't dry dust first or vacuum, when you go in straight away with product or a wet clean, it just turns into dusty, sludgy grossness. So that's why I always start off with just wiping down everything, wiping down the bathroom basin, wiping down the toilet, and then giving the whole room a vacuum over before I start wet cleaning with actual cleaning products. As with eddy cleaning, I like to spray all the surfaces down. So I will spray the shower down with whatever shower cleaner I am using, spray the toilet, spray the basin, and then let it sit while I clean other things so that the product has got time to do its stuff, work its magic, and really get in and clean. So like I said, I like to keep my bathrooms pretty clean, like on a daily basis. I'll wipe down the basins or I'll clean out the toilet. And then once a week I will alternate between bathrooms to give them a deep, deep cleaning. My routine has been a little bit off track lately because I've had some really big projects at work to get to, doing a lot of YouTube videos and busy with kids and school holidays. I decided to give both my bathrooms a really detailed clean and get them back on track so that the cleaning routine can go back to normal. It never fails to surprise me how quickly the soap scum can build up when you get off your routines, and after just a few weeks, there is layers of soap scum to scrub off. If you are in a busy family or have a hectic household, anything like me, then you know how often you can run out of toilet paper. I don't know how my kids go through so much toilet paper, but I am never going to run out again because I now have a subscription for a toilet paper delivery service, very aptly named Who Gives a Crap. I couldn't even believe that a service like this existed. I think it is a fantastic idea. It's a fab company. They are plastic packaging free. Their product is made from 100% recyclable materials, which means no trees are used in the production of their products. Not only that, but they give 50% of their profits back to charity, building toilets for people in need. It's so hard to imagine that almost 40% of the world's population don't have access to a toilet, and that almost 300,000 children under the age of 5 die every year from poor water hygiene and sanitation. With statistics like this, you will never ever hear me complain about having to clean my bathroom or scrub my toilet ever again. So now the cleaning is done for my ensuite bathroom, I just wanted to go through and give my vanity cabinet a quick makeover. My skincare has been sitting in my main bedroom and I wanted to move it back into the bathroom. It obviously makes much more sense to have it where I use it on a daily basis. But with only one shelf in my storage cabinet, I had to come up with some sort of storage solution to increase the space that wasn't permanent because this is just a rental. These bamboo drawer organizers are from Kmart, Australia. They are super affordable. You can also find similar on Amazon, and stacking them sideways provided me with the makeshift shelves that were perfect for this narrow storage cabinet. When you live in a small space like mine, your everyday items have to not only function well, but they have to look good because they become part of your decor. Could you seriously get any cuter toilet paper wrapping than these Who Gives a Crap toilet rolls? They honestly match my decor and color scheme perfectly. The online ordering was so easy. You can customize your delivery to your family's needs. There is free shipping and delivery comes the very next day. But just when you think the cleaning is done, I had to repeat it all for the main bathroom in my house. I went through the exact same steps, so I'm not going to include that in this video, otherwise we'll go forever. I'm just going to show you what I did quickly with the vanity storage cabinet, which had the same issue as mine. It's exactly the same storage cabinet, one shelf, that is it. So I quickly overhauled it with the shelf that was holding my skincare in my bedroom, removed all the clutter. Now everything is easily accessible and it looks good too.
No matter where I hide, you got me sleep deprived.
So finishing up with this cleaning routine, obviously I washed all of the towels, then washed all of the cleaning cloths. I wash all the cleaning cloths that ever touch the toilet separately first in hot water and bleach, and then I wash them again with the regular cleaning cloths with a disinfectant washing detergent, emptying the garbage, and then we are done with our bathroom deep cleaning routine. That is it for this video, you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching. If you did enjoy this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. It is great feedback for me. It lets me know that you like these kind of videos and to keep on making them. If you're new here and you haven't already, be sure to subscribe before you leave and hit the notification bell so you always know when I make a new video. I wanted to give a big hi to all my new subscribers and thank you to anyone who has liked or commented on any of my videos. I really do appreciate it so much. It honestly makes my day. Once again, thank you all so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed it. Have a great day, and as always, I'll see you in the next video. Bye everyone.